So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add a username to your WhatsApp contacts, how to activate your WhatsApp username. This is very helpful. Peradventure, when you get to chat someone up, they get to see your name even without asking what your name is. Do you understand? Like, you get to have a name for yourself on WhatsApp. When you get to join a WhatsApp group, the group members also get to see your name while you're chatting. They get to recognize you as this person with this name. Do you understand, guys? So I'll be showing you how to go about that. It's very simple, guys. So once on your WhatsApp like this, just click on these three dots up here. Do you get? Once you click on that, then you come over to where you have your setting. So once you're on your setting this way, you can see for me, my name right here on this WhatsApp is MacNor. So I'll be showing you guys how to write yours, how to add yours to your WhatsApp. So just tap on this part of your WhatsApp where the name is showing. Once you tap on it, then right here you get to see business information. Do you get? So you can see this contact part has MacNor written on it. So just tap on the MacNor itself. So for yours will be showing blank. Do you understand? It will be showing a default setting. So just tap on the name right here and write a name for yourself. So peradventure, I want to write Mr. Charles. Then right here, you go ahead and click on save. So once you click on save right here, then it gets to reflect right here on your WhatsApp. Why people get to chat you up, or whenever you get to chat someone up, they'll get to see your name automatically on your WhatsApp. That way they can easily save your number without even knowing your name. They get to save your number with the right name without knowing your name. So that's basically how you go about adding a username to your WhatsApp. So I believe you got value, guys. If you actually got value, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.